Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my post-workout shower routine. I haven't done a video like this in a bit, so I wanted to refresh it and share it with you guys, and to give you guys a little bit of a backstory on what kind of workouts I do. I dance. I'm actually in a dance company, and so all of our rehearsals and everything, all of our training happens at night, and that's kind of just how my life has always been in dance. I never have classes during the day, so I'm so much more used to getting my sweat on at night, and my classes run super late, so by the time I get home, I just want to shower and get to bed. So being a night workouter, if that's even what you want to call it, I ultimately end up being a night showerer as well. I personally like having my showers at night because I get to tuck into bed all cozy and clean and just feeling refreshed, and then I don't have to do it in the morning when I'm super sleepy. I'm super excited to announce my partnership with OGX. They are the sponsors of today's video, and I'm so excited about it because I've worked with them in the past. I've used their products for years and I truly love them, and they've actually launched a lot of new stuff since I've worked with them last. So I'm very excited to share with you guys all of my new favorites and things I've been really enjoying a part of my shower routine, starting off with the Liquid Pearl Shampoo and Conditioner. This stuff smells amazing. The packaging looked very mermaid-esque, which is very fitting, obviously, and it actually has pearl extracts and sea kelp in it, which is so cool, and it lathers really nicely and just smells so delicious. Since I'm not the kind of person to wash their hair every single day, I want to make sure that I'm scheduling out when I'm going to be washing my hair throughout the week, and I always make sure I plan it out to do it after a dance class because my hair gets super gross and sweaty, and it's just nice to refresh that before going to bed. Obviously, it feels so much nicer, so I've really been enjoying this Liquid Pearl Shampoo and Conditioner. It's very hydrating. Like I said, it lathers really nicely, and what I like to do with my conditioner is only put it into the bottom half. I guess that's the tip to the mid part, all the part that just hangs in a ponytail. I'm so good at explanations, and I always like to run my fingers through my hair because that always helps. I do brush my hair before I get into the shower, or else I would be a tangly mess, but running my fingers through my hair like this also really helps prevent tangles for when I get out of the shower. Now, I really like to kind of indulge in the shower routine if I'm coming home from a sweaty dance class and I'm kind of tired. If I'm not taking a bath, I'm going to be taking an extra long shower and doing some extra steps. And that usually involves a hair mask. So I'm using the Argan Oil of Morocco hair mask. I love this one. It's one I always go back to. It's extra strength, it's very hydrating, super creamy, and it's really easy because you only have to leave it on your hair for 2 to 5 minutes. So what I like to do is put that in the ends of my hair, really saturate the very ends of my hair, the driest part, and then I like to tie that up with a hair tie just so it doesn't, get everywhere, and also so it can soak into the hair a little bit better. And while that is working its magic, I like to move on to washing my face. Normally, it goes 50-50. Sometimes I wear makeup to dance and sometimes I don't. I try not to because I don't want to sweat in a full face of makeup, but sometimes it just happens. So I like to give my face a really good scrub. And if I'm feeling a little flaky, I will use an exfoliator too. Moving on to washing my body, I didn't know that OGX had a full range of body products as well as hair products, and I was stoked to learn about this. I love this scrub and wash. It's their coconut coffee one, and it smells so freaking good. It lathers up so nicely, and it's a little bit exfoliating, but not too much. I wear a lot of self-tanners, and sometimes I'm not looking for something that's exfoliating in my body wash, but this does a really nice job of hydrating, but also giving you a little exfoliant. And it has a partner. They do have the same scent in a body cream, and it's so nice. I'm not the type of person that normally lotions their body after a shower, but ever since I've tried this, I am. It just feels so nice, and it soaks into the skin really well. Also, the bottle's huge, so it's going to last you all winter, and it's so reasonably priced. I love it. The scent is so good, and you can totally use it at night or in the morning. After all is said and done in the shower, I get out, I change into some comfy PJs, and then I work on blow drying my hair because I cannot stand wet hair. I hate it. It's the worst, and especially I cannot have it going to bed because my hair will take 10 hours to dry if I leave it without blow drying it. So I get out, I towel dry it a little, and then I do a brush through it. This just helps with the whole blow drying process, along with their Replenishing water cream. This is a leave-in treatment that you want to apply to damp hair. You take about like 3 to 4 pumps depending on your hair length and just run that through the ends. You can also comb this through if you want the hydration to go a little bit further. I kind of just focus it on my ends and then on the actual ends, rubbing it in and just making sure that product is really soaked through before I start blow drying my hair. Having a product like this in your hair when it's damp is such a game changer. It honestly helps so much with dryness, especially during the winter, or if you're the kind of person that does blow dry your hair or style your hair. I find that using products like this just really help maintain the shininess and the hydration, and I don't end up with like straw ends at the end of the winter because I didn't take care of my hair. Using products before you blow dry is so important, and I love it because it makes a difference. So here we are, blow drying my locks. It's very exciting, very entertaining. I typically like to flip my head over and get the job done a lot faster if I'm just going to bed, because I never style my hair like at night. I'll always just do it in the morning. Sometimes I will take a brush and run that through just to smooth everything out if I feel so inclined. And yeah, here is my hair. It is a little bit on the frizzy side just because that is how my hair goes. It's just when I blow dry, that's how it is, but that's totally okay because like I said, I'm not styling it tonight. It's going to settle before I style it the next day. I'm just going to bed, so I really don't care as long as it's dry. Also too, I find that when I blow dry my hair at night, it's a lot fuller and thicker, and it is so much more manageable for me to do my hair the next day when I blow dry it the previous day. It's so much smoother, like I said, from using all the products and the hair mask and everything. And instead of just like letting my hair air dry or even not even like brushing it out, it doesn't work as well. And so you really want to set yourself up for success. And heck, I could even just like leave this the next day and it would still totally be fine. Like I said, it'll be a little less poofy when I wake up, but it would probably be okay just because I did do that brush technique and brush it out while I was blow drying it. Lately, I've been drinking so much tea because I'm always cold. So I got into even more of a cozy outfit. I put on the sweater that matches these cozy pants. I love them so much. And I made myself a cup of tea. This is like a sleeping one, so it has rose in it, and I love florals. It's so dreamy and it's so nice to sip on before bed. It's so relaxing. And like I said, after a workout, after a long day, it's like probably 11 p.m. by this time. I'm just like, I just want to sit and chill and be in my bed and be cozy, and that's all I want. And having a cup of tea beside me is always great for that. So I do like to get into bed and cozy up and like, you know, do all my steps, and then once I'm done my tea, I will get up and go brush my teeth and everything before I crawl into bed to go actually to sleep. But my little prep steps that I like to do in between then is apply a lip mask, because I will have really, really dry, cracked lips if I don't apply this every single night religiously, and it's awful. So have to do that. And then I also like to apply a little bit of hand cream, something that's gonna soak into my hands overnight, keep them, you know, hydrated, feeling soft, feeling great. Sometimes I'll apply it to my feet as well, but I wasn't about to show that on YouTube, so there you go. Sometimes I like to apply the cream onto my feet and then put socks on. That's always a good idea too, because then it just helps it soak in better. Great tip for the winter. And to finish off, I'm just going to be sitting here drinking my tea, watching something on the iPad. This is what I do if I'm like got no work to do, got no responsibilities, and I can just sit and chill and relax. I love doing this. Either I'm watching YouTube videos or something on Netflix. Really, it depends. Maybe Disney Plus, now that that's a thing. Yeah, so many options, and that is typically how I will end my night. The cats will hopefully join me if I'm lucky, and that is pretty much it for my shower routine and post-shower routine. Are you feeling cozy yet? I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my post-workout shower routine, kind of just like my night routine in general when I come home kind of late and just want to take a nice relaxing shower and chill. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. I will have links to all of the OGX products I mentioned in today's video down below, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye!